Now, in the earlier video, we learned how to read and write 5-digit numbers. Today, we are going to continue with number work, but we are going to be learning to form numbers using the given digits. So let's begin.
Now let's do a number activity. Use each of the digits 4, 8, 6, 7 only once. Write two 4-digit numbers. Now we all know that before we begin, we always have to write the places. 10,000s, thousands, 100, tens, units. But this is a 4-digit number. So a 4-digit number has 1, 2, 3, 4 up to the thousands place. Now the digits I've got here are 4, 8, 6 and 7. I can arrange it in any order, so I get a new number, right? So let's begin. Maybe I will arrange it as 7, 6, 8, 4. So it is 7,684, and between thousands and hundreds I must put a comma. So it is 7,684. Another number which I can make is, maybe I will begin with, okay, let's begin with 6, fine, let's begin. So it would be 6,000, maybe 478. So that is another 4-digit number which I have made. 6,478. So we have got, you can form like this as many combinations as you want, but make sure you use each digit only once.
Using each digit only once, write 4 different 4-digit numbers. Read each number. You have been given 4 different numbers. You can arrange them in any order and you can form 4-digit numbers. So let's begin. The first number 4,635. The next number 6,354. The next number 3,546. And the last number 5,463. Again, you can have different combinations. I've taken 4 of them. Let's take the next set of numbers. 7, 2, 1 and 0. Again, we have to form 4-digit numbers. So let's begin. 7,210, 2,107, 1,072, 7,012. Again, you can have different combinations. Now here we have written 0721, 0127. You think, children, it is right? When you write a number like this, what does it become? It becomes a 3-digit number, so these numbers are wrong. Remember, a 4-digit number cannot begin with 0. Once you put 0 in the thousands place, it becomes a 3-digit number.
The next set of question is, use the digits 4, 2, 3, 8, 5 only once. Write two 5-digit numbers. Now I've got to use these digits 2, 3, right? I've got these numbers. I've used calendar numbers here, and let's form digit. Now again, you can form any digit, so we can arrange it in any order. Maybe I will start with 8 in the hundreds place, maybe 2 over here, a 4 over here, a 3 over here, and a 5 over here. So I've arranged it as 53,824. Now what is it I need to do? I need to put the comma after the 10,000s and thousands place. So this is one number which I have formed. Let's try and form another number using the same set of digits. So maybe I'll put a 3 here and maybe a 5 here, an 8 here, 4 and a 2. So I've got another combination, 48,532, and what I need to do is I need to put my comma. So in this way you can have various combination, children, and you can form 5-digit numbers. Now I have another set of numbers 83042 where I have to form a 5-digit numbers. Again, any 5-digit number, so we can arrange it in any order. Maybe I'll have a 0 here, I'll have the 3 here, I'll have the 4 here, I'll have the 8 over here and the 2 over here. So let's read it. It will be 28,034. Yes, and what we need to do? Between After the 10,000 and thousands place, I've got to put a comma. Now, if you notice here, all the 5 digits have been used. Now, again, I'm going to use the same set of numbers. And now I'm going to put a 0 here. Maybe I'll arrange them in again a random order. I'll put the numbers. Make sure that I need to use all the digits. I've used all the numbers, but I have put 0 in the 10,000s place. When I put 0 in the 10,000s place, how will you read this number as? You read this number as 3,842, and that is not a 5-digit number. So in a 5-digit number, 0 cannot be in the 10,000s place. Of course, my comma, and hence this is wrong. So you cannot begin a number with 0 if it is a 5-digit number. Please bear this in mind, children.
Using each digit only once, write 5 different 5-digit numbers. Read each number. Now there we form 4-digit. Now we are forming 5-digit numbers. So let's begin. 95,618, 56,189, 61,895, 18,986, 89,561. Now if you notice carefully, between each of these numbers, commas have been given, indicating they are single numbers. Whereas here, after the 10,000 and thousands place, I have put a comma, indicating that this is a 5-digit number.
Keeping 9 in the hundreds place, use all the digits 97251 and make 3 5-digit numbers. Now you see I have made sure I put 9 in the hundreds place. The other numbers can be arranged randomly the way we want. Right? So now I've written it as 57,921. And of course my comma. Now again I can make another set of numbers, but I have to make sure that 9 is in the hundreds place. I may place my 7 here. I may place my 1 here. I may place my 5 here. I can place my 2 here. Right? But once again, it is a 5-digit number. And here also, if you see carefully, 9 is in the hundreds place. And yes, not to forget our commas. So you can read this number as 15,927. I can make another set of numbers. Once again, what should I remember to do? Place 9 in the hundreds place. I may place the 7 here, maybe the 5 here, the 1 here, and the 2 here. A different combination. But once again, 9 is in the hundreds place. And once again, I should not forget my comma. So the number is 71,952. Now suppose I want to make a number. Okay. I decide to place 9 maybe over here. And I place the numbers the way I want in the other places. Is this right, children? I'm sure you would have recognized the mistake, right? Here 9 has been placed in the units place, whereas in the question it says hundreds place. So this number of mine is not correct, it is incorrect. I cannot write it that way.
Now, our next question has a slight twist. You have keeping 8 in the units place. Use all the digits 58043 to make 5-digit numbers. Here we have to make sure 8 is always in the units place. So let's begin. 53,408 units place. 45,038, 8 is in the units place. 34,508, 8 is in the units place. 40,538, 8 is in the units place. 54,308, 8 is in the units place. I made a number 05438. Is this right? 8 is in the units place. But is this number right? No, it's wrong because a 5-digit number cannot begin with 0.
The next question is, write the biggest and smallest 5-digit number using the given digits 76823. Now, when you have formed the smallest number, we need to arrange them in the ascending order. So we begin with 2, then it will be 3, then it will be 6, then it will be 7, and then it will be 8. Don't forget to put the comma, 23,678. To form the biggest number, we arrange them in the descending order. We begin with 8, then it is 7, then it will be 6, then it will be 3, and then it will be 1. This will be the biggest number and of course the comma. The The next set of numbers which I have here is 90451. I have to arrange it normally in the ascending order. 1, 0, 4, 5 and 9. But actually this is not the ascending order, right? It would have been, normally you would have arranged it as 0, 1, 4, 5 and 9. This is how you would have arranged it. But this is incorrect because a 5-digit number cannot begin with 0. So whenever you have to form a smallest 5-digit number and there is a 0, 0 will take the second place and the next smallest number will take the first place. Hence this is written as 10,459, and whereas this number is wrong, remember that this is incorrect. Now if I need to form the biggest number, then at this I can arrange in the descending order. 0 will come last as per the descending order. So this is right. I hope you have understood that, children. Now another common mistake mostly we make is what? Suppose I ask you to write a number. Most of the children, what will they do is, suppose I'm making the biggest number. Most of the children, what they do, they put a comma between every number. If you do this again, it is incorrect. You cannot put a comma because once you put a comma, it becomes a single digit. It is not a 5-digit number. Each of the number is considered as a single digit.
Using the given digits only once, form the biggest and smallest 4-digit numbers. Earlier, we made the number was arranged in any order and you got a number. Now, there is a slight specification. You need to form the smallest number and the biggest number. To form the smallest number, we arrange them in the ascending order. To form the biggest number, we arrange them in the descending order. So let's begin. The smallest number here will be 5, then 6, then 8, and then 9. 5,689. Here it's going to be 9, 8, 6, 5, 9,865. 4, 0, 7, 8, 8, 4. Now you will notice here 0 has taken the second place. Why? Suppose 0 had to take the first place, then the number would have been 0478. When it is written with 0 in the thousands place, I told you it becomes a 3-digit number. So 0 cannot take the thousands place. So when we have to form the smallest number, then 0 will always take the second position and the second smallest number will become the first position. Please bear this in mind, children. So when you have smallest number, 0 will always be in the second place from the left. And to form the biggest number, 0 will always take the units place. Next, let us form smallest number using these digits 3478 and 8743. Do you think these numbers are right? No, they are wrong. Why? Because when you're forming the smallest and biggest numbers, you cannot put commas in between. Once you put commas, they become single numbers. So you need to be careful when you're forming the smallest and biggest numbers. If you observe carefully, I have not used commas anywhere. We have to form the biggest and smallest numbers using the given 5 digits. So let's begin. The smallest here is 1, then it's 2, then it's 3, then it's 5, and then it's 7. So 12,357. Here it will be 7, 5, 3, 2, 1. 75,321. Now here it will be, will I start with 0? No. I'll start with 3. Then I'll start 0. Then it will be 6, 8, 9. 30,689. Here it will be 9, 8, 6, 3, 0. 0 can come in the units place where it's the biggest number. Can I form a number like this having 0 in the 10,000s place? No. Why? because this becomes a 4-digit number. So it's wrong. Next, we have got a different set of numbers. So let's form the smallest number, 30478. Now, are these numbers right, children? Yes, you recognize a mistake. One cannot put commas between these numbers when forming smallest and biggest numbers. I'm sure you would have understood the lesson. Now, based on that, you can solve this exercise very neatly in your notebook. Make sure to write your name on every page.
Thank you.